Okay, Miss Humanic. It's like way after school. Oh god, I don't know what time it is. It's like almost 5. That's your window. That right there, that's your window. This is the tree outside of your window. You didn't say how high I had to climb, so I'm gonna climb to right there. That V. I'm gonna climb right there. I don't know how fast it's gonna be. It'll probably be pretty slow. I'll fall a couple times, but it's okay. But that's your window. That's your window. Oh, that one. Yeah. Okay. Trying to wait for the van.
Yeah, no.
Alright, pass me the camera. Oh shit. Taki mushrooms. There's your window. I'm in the tree right now. I just gotta say, challenge completed. Alright, now I gotta get down. This is gonna be the fun part. Here, you better catch it. Alright, watch out.
You stopped it? Oh no.
No.